Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Let me look at swing trading stocks for the current week. Stock number 1 was Agrotech Products at 865 rupees. So where is Agrotech Products? If I go to weekly chart, 864 865, and we have the daily chart. So somewhere here, yes. So no, SL hit. Moving on to second stock, and it was Minda Industries at 491. No, I gave something else. Minda Industries. No, yes, 491, and we have 584, 491. So 491, let me look at. So 491 somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. And then it closed at 484. 481 is the stop loss. And then 548. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 targets. Now I am going to take you through swing trading stock for the coming week, the week from 11th to 15th of July. This is the weekly chart, and we have a breakout level above 415 rupees. The price action is looking quite promising, but we'll go on the daily chart to look at the momentum, or I should say the fluctuation in the stock price. So here, this was the high around 370 rupees, which was again taken down with this particular candle. Mind you, there was a breakout, but buyers did not manage to sustain the stock price above that level, which means again at this juncture there was huge amount of selling pressure. But if you look at the price action moving forward, buyers are slowly buying at a decent pace, which a sign of sellers becoming weaker, and at the same time buyers regaining more and more confidence. So this upward trajectory should inspire a lot of buyers, and once we see the weekly breakout above 450 rupees, I foresee a lot of demand coming through, and we might even see the round number level of 500 rupees is in the firing zone throughout the coming week. We are going to finish it off with Magadh Sugar and Energy Limited. On the weekly chart, I am able to draw a trend line encompassing the current level on the weekly chart. Can I draw one more line? I cannot. So if we draw a line like this will become our support level. There was a lot of back and forth momentum around 350 rupees. These are two consecutive candles which failed to break the barrier, and currently price is starting to gather momentum to break above the mentioned level. I'll go to the daily chart to look at the price action in detail. Yes, this is a case of higher highs and higher lows pattern. I'll go to again another smaller time frame to look at bullish volume activity. Yes, I do see decent amount of buying activity for bullish candles, which is again a sign of buyers coming back into the game. So any buying above 350 rupees has the intensity to challenge the round number level of 400 rupees throughout the course of the next week.